Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the HP blah 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 9 something, whatever it is, but I have the replacement ink cartridges here that I got, and these ones here I've been using ones like this one for a while now, so I'll show you guys what it is here. You have the big old black cartridge, the 910 XL, which will go right there. We have the blue 910 XL blue and the 910 XL magenta and yellow. So you can see we have replacements for all of them here. So we're going to be able to replace all the different colors. It's going to be tough for me to show you because to show it in use. But let me go ahead. I have to replace them now. Oh, it comes with a little baggie to put the old ones in. So that's kind of nice. So you can dispose of the old ones. But it's going to be tough to show. But let me go ahead and I'm going to print a picture and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I went and took 2 different pictures. We have these 2 here. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference too much. This one here is slightly lighter, and this one here is a little bit more colorful. This one here is the one with the new ink, and this one here was the one I did with the old ink to give you an idea of how they look. Really hard to tell on there, but this one here is very vibrant and colorful and gives us more depth in the one there. This one here is just a little brighter, just different. So this one here, if you really need detail, you can see all the different lines and things like that. Came out really good. The other one was low on ink, so that's why I was just kind of primed it to get it to go. So it probably looked similar when it was new, but this one here works good. So I'm gonna say, I would show you them. I don't know. They're in there, so thumbs up, very nice.